This video is for you if you are hoping to request a scholarship for Chapter Focus Week this year. If you don't have the form open in front of you yet, you can either try to read the tiny font at the top here of the URL, or just ask your staff or your leaders to send you the link to get to here, and then I'll show you how to do the rest. So once you're here, please note that we're asking you submit these by April 21st if possible. That's when we're doing our fundraising party, or the next day, and so we need to know the total amount that we need to raise before then. However, if you're seeing this form after that deadline, please do talk to your staff. We'll see if we can figure something out for you, because we really do want you to come. So the first part's pretty self-explanatory. Enter your name, your email, your phone number. Select your campus. And when you select your campus, it'll predetermine some of the other questions that you get to see from here on out based on registration deadlines and prices and such. So make sure you select the correct campus. This next part's really important. If you have not yet registered for Chapter Focus Week, go on over and do that. But it only works if when you're registering, you choose the scholarship price. So when it comes time, you'll select the box next to the scholarship price based on need option. There's another video I made that you can ask for the link for that explains the registration process. But if you're requesting a scholarship of any form, you need to have registered under the scholarship price on chapterfocusweek.com. If you already registered and you didn't do that, it's okay. Just talk to your staff. They can get it sorted out. But we do need to know that that you accidentally registered under the wrong category if that is the case for you. So I did already register, and I'm going to assume that I registered on the scholarship price and click yes. If you haven't registered yet, we do ask that you go ahead and do it and then come back to the form. If for some reason you can't register right now, but you know you need a scholarship, then go ahead and click no and then next, and we'll review this and see that you have requested a scholarship, haven't registered yet, and we'll follow up with you about helping to get you registered. Alright, so the next thing it's going to ask you, and again it's going to filter based on the campus you selected before, so this is just Columbus State as an example. And for Columbus State, if you register before or by April 28th, then you get a lower price. So it's before that date when I registered, so I'm going to select this. If you registered after that date or the corresponding date for the other campuses, then you would click the regular amount. And that's all visible in your registration information, emails, and on the website. Okay, so here's the deal. The early bird price for Chapter Focus Week is $359. When I registered, I paid the $50 registration fee. So that means there's a $309 that's left over that needs to be paid by somebody to the conference. So you can select which of these options is true for you. If you can't pay anything else, then you click the I need a full scholarship and I'm not paying anything else button. If you're able to pay even $5, $10, $50, $100, $200 out of that remaining $309, then you'll click that. So I'm going to assume that you need to pay a little bit more, but you still need a partial scholarship. Select that, hit next. This part is just so that it can do some auto calculations later. Don't be fazed by it. It won't let you edit it even if you want to. Just click next. So here we go. We're left with $309 that's still owed to the conference. You know you're asking for a scholarship. So this is the part where we need to know how much scholarship money you're asking for from us. So let's say you need a $50 scholarship. Cool. Next. Then it does the math for you, and it tells you with the registration fee that you've already paid and the amount of scholarship you're asking for from us, this is the total amount that you personally will be responsible for when you arrive at Cedar Campus, which is $259. You're not done yet, because now you all know this great information, but we need to know this great information so that we can make sure we get your scholarship submitted so that you're taken care of when you get to Cedar Campus. So when you reach this point, just hit submit, and you will be all finished. And again, there was a few options back there that I didn't select that might be true for you, but just select the ones that are true for you and let it walk you through the rest. There are some fields that can't be edited. If that's the case, just keep going. They have what they need to have in there. If you find yourself getting confused, just contact your staff or your leaders, and we're happy to help. We're so excited you're coming to Cedar, and thank you for taking the time to let us know how much scholarship money you need.